Hello everyone. I have a bunch of receipts laid out, and it's because I've been trying to figure out why some Instacart shoppers receive the sales and some don't. Even when I scan a card in their account, the Instacart customer don't always get the sales, even though I'm swiping a card. And I think I figured it out. I think. First, I'm going to read something to you. It's about tax exemption and reseller licenses. And I found a bunch of articles on this, but I'm just going to read this one that I found on Reddit, and it says it all, 2 paragraphs. So here we go. This one says, just completed shopping a Sam's order and it automatically rang up tax exempt. The Sam's cashier said it has been doing this for 2 days. I even had to sign confirmation the order was tax exempt on their keypad at checkout. I know damn well customers are paying taxes on these items, so what the hell is Instacart trying to pull? Then someone responds to them and writes, so Instacart probably has filed a reseller license with Sam's Club. It's just, Sam's Club is just used for this example. This essentially means that Instacart purchases the goods without tax and then charges their customer the tax. I didn't know that. And I can show you many more. Just look it up. Do a Google search. Do a Bing search. Do a Reddit search. It's all over the place. That's what they're doing. And now I'm going to show you these receipts because it was boggling me. Why do some Instacart customers receive the in-store sales, but then some don't? And I'm scanning. And I've been cashing myself out. I've been using the self-checkout, so I'm doing everything myself. So I walk up after the machine greets you, I scan the card. Sometimes there's 1 card, sometimes there's 2 cards. Well, I believe that when a customer receives the sales, the in-store sales, they have attach their store reward card or savings card, whatever you want to call it, to their Instacart account, where some people have not done that. However, Instacart has you scan a card number, which is probably to show the tax exemption that Instacart is not being charged tax, but the customer is. Now, that's a way to earn more money. Okay. I'm just going to show you a couple of things. All right. You see here, let me do this. You see how it says minus $1, minus 25 cents, minus 25 cents, minus. Well, it's because this customer received the in-store sales. You see that? And if I go down here, and they also received the tax exemption. However, Instacart is receiving the tax exemption, not the customer. So that's $2.18 going to Instacart. That's another stream of income. This one, you see how there's none? These receipts are throughout the past couple of weeks. I just saved a handful. And then you see here, tax exemption, $3.60. I found it so boggling when I started working Instacart more often. I found it boggling that I had to scan 2 cards. And I would ask the cashiers, do you know why that is? And they're like, well, they're not really sure. I think I found out the reason. I feel one of those cards that I'm scanning is telling the machine that I'm using to scan myself out, or telling the cashier, this is a tax exemption for InstaCart. But InstaCart is charging the customer the money they're saving. InstaCart is charging tax, where Instacart's not paying tax. That's what I think's happening here. Okay, let me go back. I'm doing my best here. Cool. Here's another one. No sale, but they got the tax exemption, $1.96. What about this one? Now this one don't have a tax exemption. Maybe they didn't get to every customer yet. Because when I first started working Instacart, there was no 2 cards to scan. Most customers have 2 cards now. But you see, this one had a card. 2 cards. $2.26 they saved. See, $2.89 they savings. 39 cents the savings. So I could show you more, but the video will be way too long. I really wanted to try to figure this out because I'm building my own business, and the more knowledge I gain, maybe I could follow in their footsteps. But however, they're doing it on a grand scale. So I noticed that most of the customers I'm shopping for now, compared to when I started about a year ago, have 2 cards to scan. I'd say 70%. They're not complete. They're not finished yet. They're going to give every account, a tax exemption card in the app. When you walk up and I go scan myself out, I must scan the card or I hand it to the cashier. It's not always a store card. It's so InstaCart don't have to pay. It's a reseller license. Don't have to pay taxes, but then they charge it to the customer. I believe that's what's going on. I just wanted to figure it out. I could go on and on. Stay tuned for future videos. Guys, this is so interesting. I find it so interesting. I can't wait to become more successful with my own business. I'll see you later. Bye.